Xiaomi launched the much-awaited Redmi Note 11 series on Thursday, and the lineup includes Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro, and the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. This is Simran Srivastava with you, and let me take you through all these smartphones in detail. But before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so that you never miss out any notification from us. So let's just go into the detailed video. For now, Xiaomi has launched the Redmi Note 11 series in China, but we know how important this is for the Indian market as well, and we can expect it to launch it here soon. So let's start with the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. The Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate and also 360Hz of touch sampling rate. Now, talking about the camera of the phone, it houses a 108-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel tele-macro camera. Also, the highlight maker or the headline maker of this smartphone is the 120-watt fast charging support for 4500 mAh battery. Now, Xiaomi here claims that the phone can charge from 0 to 100% just in 15 minutes. Wow! And talking about the price, Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus starts at Rs 22,200. Now, talking about the Redmi Note 11 Pro, it has same features or borrows some features, most of the features from the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Talking about the processor, it packs MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset coupled with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The camera setup is completely same as that of Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. The major difference here is in the battery and the charging support. The Redmi Note 11 Pro has got 5160 mAh battery, which is bigger or larger than the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, but it restricts charging at 67 watt. Now, talking about the price of Redmi Note 11 Pro starts somewhere around Rs 18,700. Lastly, we have the Redmi Note 11, and this is the only smartphone in the series which didn't get an AMOLED display, and I somewhere feel sorry for it. Nevertheless, let's talk about the display. It has got a 6.6-inch LCD display and has got a 90Hz refresh rate. It packs MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset and is supported by 5000 mAh battery, gets support with a 33-watt fast charger. And talking about the camera, it houses a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies, you get 13-megapixel camera on front. Talking about the price of Redmi Note 11 starts somewhere around Rs 14,000. There is no doubt that Redmi Note 11 series look exciting, and also it will be interesting to note when they will be launched in India. So till then, do let me know what you think about these phones and how much do you think they will be priced in India. I will meet you in the next video. Ta-da! Also, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it. I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.